Hello guys, it's me again, and today I've come with the BONTEL L700. The customer says the mic is a bit muffled, but shocker, it's completely dead. So we're gonna have to crack it open and see if we can form a miracle, I guess. So one, you're gonna unscrew it, the easy part. So there we go. Generally, these ones have like 6 screwdrivers. After that, we go to the second phase whereby we crack it open. I'm gonna use the scalpel as always. It's very efficient and it's my choice, my favorite choice of tools. So that is done with. Well, this is gonna be fast. So the next thing, we're not even gonna open it up completely. We're just gonna take out the mic, which is usually at the bottom. So using a screwdriver, we're just gonna pocket, and I think a tweezer will be much better for this job. So there we go. We're gonna bring it out like that. So that's the mic. There, it's like a pin, two two legs standing on it. So that's the source of our problem. So let us see if we can repair this without actually turning the phone into a dead weight, paperweight. So we're gonna unsolder it just like that using a soldering gun, like so, easy peasy. Then we're gonna solder it again, solder the contact point before soldering on a new mic. There we go. So this is the new mic, as you can see. We're gonna have to solder the new mic too on the ends before we actually solder it back on. Well, I hope this big bundle of the phone works. There, solder it back on place. And mind you, when you're doing this, keep be mindful of the polarity, because if you switch them, the red goes to the black and the black goes to the red, the microphone will not work. After you've soldered it, return the actual mic in its actual place, because when it lies there, there's an opening so that when you're talking with the phone, it can actually be heard clearly. So if you put it in the wrong position, you're still gonna have a problem. The mic voice is gonna be little muffled, bringing you back just to the same place you are. So that being done, that is basically how we change the microphone on a big phone like this. For the BONTEL, we here in our country, Kenya, call it akibambe or akadude, a small thing. So that was that. We are just gonna screw it back up. And the other thing, whenever you fix a phone, test the phone. Make sure it's actually working. Don't wait for the customer to come before you actually test the phone. You might be surprised sometimes. So we're gonna test it to see if it's actually working. And when the customer does come, we're gonna put in his line and we're gonna test out the mic. But 80-90% of the time, it's usually a replacement problem, and that's usually over and done. So that's people is how you would replace the mic on a small BONTEL. So thank you